see the dolls. I can only see your hands. Let me help you move someone.
Yeah.
Because I can only see your hands a little bit.
It's not fair. It's not fair. Hey, move some up. It's snowing.
Oh, I know what to do. You just put them standing up and just make their noises.
Yeah. Wait, let me get. Uh-oh. I cannot get them standing up.
Can I get them standing up for you?
Yep. Yeah. Like, why are we lying in the snow? Like, it's snowing. And I push them over them.
Sure.
Oh, yeah. Like, why is it snowing over us? Maybe like that.
You've got your finger on this. Put the ice cream on.
Do we go and see?
Oh, not. You can go and check, but I'm not. Quick delay for the video. So, I know it's a snowstorm.
Like, why am I keep falling?
Snowstorm. Lord Chaos. Good boy, 13. Skyland is Emily Portable.
Yeah.
Chaos Wolfgang Pudding.
Like, how am I getting about snow? I really hate this now. I really don't like it.
If you want to know what this weird stuff, is, it's oatmeal. Just joking. It's porridge.
No, it's actually snow.
Yeah, it is actual snow. It's not snowing, but
We
I
just
have
made it.
I have this thing called Snow Magic, and if you use it, you can create your own snow.
Yeah.
And if you're wondering why the video is so dark, it's because it's nighttime.
Yeah.
We could have
I'm
recorded this at day, but my mom
Yeah.
only told us we can make it tonight.
So we are making snow. Ah, it's snowing too much.
Yeah. This is the end of the video. Bye.